How to transfer Paysafecard to your PayPal account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to transfer money from your Paysafecard payout into your PayPal account. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your PayPal account, and as you can see, I'm already logged in. Unfortunately, PayPal only allows you to receive money by providing a credit card or debit card. I have a previous tutorial in my account, so if you want to check that out, I'll be linking that video below. So we'll need to find a workaround to access your Paysafecard funds. And to do this, we will use a third-party service called Wise. You can create a free account on their website, and I'm going to show you on how to create your account. First is you need to go to their website and then open an account. And then you will be choosing two options. First is you need to enter your email address, and then we're going to select an account that would let us send, spend, and receive money, which is a personal account. And then you have to choose your country, and then you have to put your phone number so we can verify it, and then click send verification code. And then after verifying your account, and then after verifying your mobile number, you have to put a password. It must contain a letter and the number and the minimum of 9 characters. And once you have set up your Wise account already, under the account, you will click open for you to able to add another currency, and then it will direct you in here, and then we need to click this balance for us to able to send, receive, and spend money. And then we're going to choose another currency. If you don't find your currency here, it is because it is already set up in your account, and then hit confirm. Now you can add your Paysafecard to your Wise account, and with your Paysafecard added, you can now transfer money from it to your Wise account. And then if we want to send money to our PayPal account, choose send money from our dashboard. In here, we want to select where do we want to send from, either from bank or from Paysafecard we received from, just for example in this account. And then we need to put the amount we want to send to our PayPal. And then for the recipient, we need to choose new recipient and someone else. And we need to add your PayPal account in here because this will allow us to send money directly to our PayPal account. And then once our PayPal account is added, we can now proceed to money transfer. And then after confirming it, you may need to enter a passcode to approve it. And that's it. Your money should now be available in your PayPal account. This is a free and convenient way to transfer money from your Paysafecard to your PayPal account using Wise. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.